Hello children, in today's class we are going to discuss about the reflection of light, the continuation of the topic which we discussed already. So reflection of light, already we discussed how the light changes its direction when it falls on a plane mirror. So now we are going to discuss how the image appears in front of a plane mirror. So just look at the topic right or left. If you see your image in front of a plane mirror, you will actually see your exact image, right? But you can notice an interesting difference between you and your image in the mirror. That difference is, by doing a simple activity, you will be able to understand. By standing in front of a plane mirror, just raise your left hand. When you raise your left hand, simultaneously just touch your right ear and observe your image on the mirror. You will find that in the mirror, the right appears left and the left appears to be right. That is, when you raise your left hand, you will feel like you're raising your right hand and you're touching your left ear. So what happens here is, the sides are getting interchanged, but the image does not appear upside down. The image will look erect and straight as such as you're seeing, but the sides of the positions tends to be interchanged. As well, you can do this activity by writing your name on a piece of paper. So once you finish writing a name on a piece of paper and hold it in front of a plane mirror. So once you hold it, you will find that the name appears in a reverse manner. So what is the reason behind this? Let us find out the answer for this. You would have noticed in the ambulance. So in the vehicle, they would have written the word ambulance in the reverse manner. So what is the reason behind this? When the driver is driving ahead of ambulance, by hearing the noise of the sound of the ambulance, immediately he will try to leave way for the ambulance. But will he turn back and find out where the ambulance is approaching, whether towards right or left? No, he will just look into the rear view of the mirror, right? So by viewing with the side mirror of the vehicle, he will be able to read the word ambulance written on it and he will give way for it. So it is a duty of every one of us to allow an ambulance to pass through. Otherwise, if the ambulance word has been written straight away, it will look in the reverse manner when we see in the rear view of the vehicle. So that is the reason the word ambulance has been written in the reverse order. Now you understood. And now playing with spherical mirrors. So what do you mean by spherical mirror? Spherical means obviously a circle, right? So we can even see our image with the spherical mirrors. You can take an example of the stainless steel plate or else the stainless steel spoon. In all these objects, you will be able to witness your image, right? So all these things acts like a plane mirror. And if you take the spoon as an example, just look at your image from the outer side of the spoon, that is the back side of your spoon. So if you look at the back side of your spoon, you will be able to witness the image that is very erect and is of the same, and even though it is very smaller in size, you can see your image that is straight, just like a plane mirror, even though the image looks smaller. But from the inner side of the spoon, that is through which you tend to eat. So from the inner side of the spoon, if you see, you will see an upside down image in the inner side of the spoon. So the reason behind this is the words concave and convex. So you would have heard about this word. If not, I'll explain about this now. So it is because of the process called concave and convex. So let us see about it. What is meant by a concave? So concave means a rounded or the interior of a circle. So how the interior of the circle look like, which is much similar to the interior of the spoon which we have discussed in this picture. So the interior of the spoon will be like this, right? Through which we will hold all the food, or else we will take the food or any other quantities. So this interior of the circle represents concave mirror. Also you can call it as a converging mirror. And convex means the exterior of a circle, that is the backside of the spoon, you can consider as the convex mirror. See, this is how the backside of the spoon you will consider as a convex mirror, where you will see the erect image of yourself, but in the concave mirror you will see only the upside down image of yourself. So that is the difference between concave and convex. Now based on this we are going to do a simple activity. So what are you going to do here is, I have told you already, the inner surface of a spoon acts like a concave and the outer surface of a spoon acts like the convex mirror. Now see, this is concave, which is the inner surface of the spoon, and this is convex, which is the outer surface of the spoon. Now this concave mirror you can most probably find out in the torchlights. So the torchlight mirror which you have in the torchlight is nothing but the concave mirror, and based on the concave mirror you can do an activity where you can observe how the real image is formed with the help of a concave mirror. See here in this activity what they are doing here is, they have spread a sheet of paper on the terrace and then they are holding the concave mirror like this. So this concave mirror will show the exact image, that is the real image of the sun on the paper. So if you hold this concave mirror steadily for some time, you will be able to witness that the paper will start to burn. So while doing this activity we have to take a very extra care that we should not focus the concave mirror while passing the sunlight on, and we should not show the concave mirror on our skin and all, because we may tend to get hurt. So we have to be careful enough while handling the concave mirrors while doing this activity. So if you show this concave mirror on a screen, that is the paper, you will be able to witness the real image of the sun, and if you hold it steady for some few minutes, the paper will start to get burnt like this, which has been shown in the paper. But in a convex mirror you cannot see the real image of the object. You will be able to see only the virtual image of the object. So this is the difference between concave and convex mirror. I hope you understood this class, children. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.